This video is going to show you how to post a video on Google Classroom. I am just going to post it as an announcement, not as an assignment. So I have the video that I want to watch, that I want to put. I have it here. I copy the link, and then I go back to Google Classroom, and I click here. I click Add, I click YouTube, then I paste the link, and you can do this with any video you have a link for. But then I click Search, then I click the video, and I click Add, and then I have to type something here. And then if I wanted to put it just for a couple of students, I could click the students that I wanted to post it for. But now I'm going to put post, and it's posted.